Craving pumpkin pie? Cut the sugar by 1/3 and eliminate the saturated fat with a wheat and gluten-free pastry and enjoy this healthier version for only 247 calories. Separate 1 egg into white and yolk in 2 separate bowls. In a large mixing bowl, add your pumpkin puree, separated egg yolk, and the remaining 4 eggs, yolks and whites. White sugar, brown sugar, pour in your evaporated 2% milk, cinnamon, and cloves. Grate your whole nutmeg directly over your mixing bowl. Whisk to blend all your ingredients. Pour your blanched almonds into your food processor and process for 1 to 2 minutes until your almonds resemble coarse crumbs. Add your quinoa flour and your butter. Process until blended. Add your separated egg white and process for a few minutes until your mixture is crumbly and clumps together. Fit your springform pan base into the springform ring notch and snap the lever to enclose the base firmly. Measure parchment paper to fit the depth of your springform pan, snip with scissors, and cut an equal length. Place your cut parchment paper strip over your uncut parchment paper as a guide and cut another strip. Smooth a tiny amount of butter to coat the insides of the springform pan ring and press your parchment paper strips along the inside of the ring. The parchment paper keeps the pumpkin pie filling from sticking to the sides of the pan while baking. Pour your processed crumb mixture into the prepared springform pan and smooth the crumbs evenly over the bottom. Turn the pan while you press the crumbs into the edges where the pan sides meet the bottom and push some crumbs up the sides and press into place. Pour your prepared pumpkin pie filling over the base. Place a length of foil wrap over a baking tray and center your filled springform pan over top. Tuck the edges of the foil wrap against the pan to prevent the filling from seeping out while baking. Bake in a 425-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes, then reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 30 minutes. Once your pie has cooled, it's ready to serve. Unhinge the latch, unfold the foil wrap, and gently lift the ring to remove it. Peel away the parchment paper from the sides and remove the foil from underneath the springform pan. Divide your pumpkin pie into 12 equal pieces. Garnish your slice with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of roasted pumpkin seeds. And here is your serving of under 300 calories, pumpkin pie with 1/3 less sugar and a wheat and gluten-free crust. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.